Hello and welcome to day 29 of Vlogmas. We are at the end, guys. It's the final stretch. Hang on, my bracelet's making noise. There we go. Hi, I'm Amy and I make things, and I'm making a video every day in December. We're still in Atlanta right now. Well, as I film this, we're still in Atlanta, but as you see it, we are on our way to our next destination. Hi, Editing Amy here. And my sister Mindy. I have some footage of me giving Mindy her gifts with the spicy fabric that I purchased and have spoken about before. And I will include that at the end after everything for anyone who is interested. Thank you so much, and on with the show. Internet has been a struggle. Videos are going up slowly and late, and you know, like I said, the theme of this month has been rolling with it, so that's what I'm doing. It's going to be what it's going to be, but I figured I'd keep this one a little bit short just to help me out. So, in that regard, I want to show you the completed baby quilt. I did finish, and I will record footage tonight when I gift it, but I did finish, and I want to show you some close-up footage of that. And then I'll show you the gifting, and anyway, you're going to see it in just a minute. You'll know. It's been a wild day. It's been a wild day of doing not a lot of anything, but it's gonna be fun tonight. I'll put that footage of the baby quilt in right here. Okay, here is the finished baby quilt, and it's catch as catch can here in the hotel room. We're on the kitchen counter. I'll do some close-up footage in just a little bit. But overall, I think it turned out so cute. Oh, there's still some threads on it. Normally, I would have washed and dried it before I gift it because I like it to get the crinkly, quilty goodness. But there was just not time for that this time. So this is what we got. This is what we're going with. And you can see all I did in the triangles is I just hand quilted with the embroidery floss around the inside of each triangle in the coordinating colors. And then on the sides, let me move over here slowly so you don't get motion sick. In the sides, on the side, here we go. We have, I just quilted just straight lines, straight-ish lines. I didn't mark them. It was winging it all the way, but I think it turned out cute, and there's the quilting on the back. In fact, let me flip the whole thing. So here is some detail of the back with the navy and then the orange and the red. Let's see, where's the frame? There we go. You see, and you can see all the colors. And like I say, I would love to have washed and dried it so it would get all scrunchy and good. But this is what we've got, and it's going to be perfect. Okay, now I have a room full of peanut gallery. So if there's anything untoward said, y'all, I have to keep this monetized, so don't be naughty. It's Tiffany. She's only naughty. But, so I'm going to sign the baby quilt, and here's what I'm going to use. Just a straight up Sharpie marker. I know I didn't make a label. Very often, I only use a Sharpie marker. It works just fine. My quilt, my choice. So I'm going to move the camera, and then we will label the baby quilt. All right. There are not cats here. I just have rabble-rousers in my background. But I love them, so welcome to the family. got my full name and the date and a little love message. Full name and the date. Oh. Texas. Austin. And the place. As much information as you want. I don't know the baby's name yet, so I can't put that on there, but they can add it later. All right, there we go. All labeled up, super simple. Thank you, Tiffany, for the use of your Sharpie marker. Gift.
Oh, okay.
This is for you. This is for you.
Yay.
Oh, I can zoom in.
Oh, how lovely. I love it so much. It's the first blanket that he's gotten, too. It's his first ever blanket. I love
She
that.
said blanket. She said blanket, y'all.
What was I supposed to say?
It's a quilt.
Oh. It's a quilt that operates as a blanket.
Yes. It's just, I don't care. One way or another. Some people feel some kind of way about things.
Those quilts.
But
I know she has like a whole like community,
I know, it's a thing.
like a following. I was actually telling my coworker about you the other day.
oh my God.
I was like, cause she's a big crocheter, and I was like, oh, you should follow my aunt all the
I like when I
time.
show people my blankets that you've made me. I'm like, yeah, she's
blanket. I just can't
It's
help
kind of a big deal. Her stuff has been shown at the high.
It has been.
I'm saying, like, 'cause
That's cool. I didn't know that.
It has been. So I finished the baby quilt. I was binding on the plane. I was binding when I got here. And, well, you saw how it turned out. You saw how it turned out, and I love it so much. And I hope it gets used absolutely to pieces. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. Thank you so much for spending December with me. It has been such an encouragement and so much work, but so much fun. So, like I say, when you see this, we are traveling, and I think I have some exciting footage for you guys on Tuesday. Will that be Tuesday's video? Time. Man, what is time? Anyway, I'm looking forward to sharing that with you and for the rest of the month. Now, question of the day. We're on a road trip, so we definitely have a couple of playlists. I'll link to a couple of them below. Tell me, what is your favorite, two things, road trip playlist, music, audiobook, what do you listen to if you're on a road trip? And two, snacks. What are your favorite road trip snacks? Is there something you always get when you're traveling by car? Let us know. Like, subscribe, share all the YouTubey things. And more than anything, I hope you always remember that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, we're about to eat sushi, but I wanted to show my sister-in-law, who I made the gifts that I mentioned, open them. So here we go. This is Mindy and her beloved Pat, and I have a little gift for you.
not pie.
Not pie. Sorry for the bag.
I like saw like this and I thought it was a dog bone at first. That's not a dog bone. These are amazing.
You see what the others are, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very familiar with this design. That's amazing, Amy. I love that so much. Aww.
Oh, I forgot part of it. I'll send it. I have.
Did you make that? Look at you. You're so talented. I'm so jealous.
And there's one more thing.
I love this. That is really cool. And I love it. I'm going to use it on the trip.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.